How to fix inverted camera on Snapchat. Welcome back to the channel, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. In order to solve the issue, all you have to do is press and hold onto your Snapchat. Then select the option of App Info. Tap on Permission. Select your camera. Now, if it's set to Allow, set it to Don't Allow. Then force stop it. Head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Once you are done, tap on Permissions once again. Select the option of Camera, then set it to Allow. Once you do this, the bug or the glitch issue will be solved. Then open up your phone setting and navigate to System Update. In here, if there is an update for your device, simply leave it for an update. Next step is to open up your Play Store. Search for your Snapchat app. Tap on your Snapchat. Now if there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, the last resort is to uninstall it. Finally, you can press and hold onto your power button. From here, you need to select on the restart option or power off button. And that is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.